Okay, so let's begin with Aries and see how the week is going to be. Okay, so I feel that you are going to get a very good opportunity where you will be able to showcase your talent as a perfect leader, because of which an added responsibility may be given to you, which is going to be for your highest and best good. You may have moments of nostalgia where past sad memories may visit you. Taurus, let's see how your week is going to be. Okay, so your week is going to be around learning, teaching, counseling, and giving advice to people. People may come to you to seek advice. Okay, you also have to believe in your faith. How much soever you may struggle to come out of a rut or a situation, you're not going anywhere unless you keep your faith and positivity strong. Okay, so let's see, Geminis, how your week is going to be. Okay, so great, lovely. Your week is going to be full of joy, happiness, contentment. You will feel, you will have the feeling of triumph. Okay, so it's going to be a week where the spotlight is going to be on you. The only thing you need to remember is let go of your regrets of the past. That does not hold any space now. Okay, so next is Cancerians. Let's see how your week is going to be. Okay, so your week is going to be focused around your love life, the feeling of being loved and loving someone else. So that is going to be the focus for you this week. So be ready to feel that love, joy, and pleasure in your life. The only thing you need to remember is that if you've got hurt in the past, the only way to come out of it is to forgive and forget. Okay, so my dear Leos, let's see how your week is going to be. Okay, so your week is generally going to be around lots of happiness and joy, just like that, which is anyways a very good feeling. Also, I feel that you are going to work with your intuition. So some messages or some feeling that you're just going to get out of your gut instinct, act on it. Your friends may need your help. Get out of your boredom and discontentment, otherwise you will lose out on a lot of fun. Okay, so dear Virgos, let's see how your week is going to be. So you will be focused on dealing with health issues or material trouble. If it's you, then you should make sure that you are taking the right steps to take care about your health. And if it is someone else that you know, then be the first person to offer help and support to the person. You are going to also have your moment of awakening this week, so be ready to deal with that. Okay, so let's see how the week is going to be for you, Librans. This week will be focused on money and investments for you. Also, you will like to splurge like a king. So go ahead, drink the best wine, eat at the finest restaurants, and spend some money on yourself. Okay. The only thing you need to remember is that don't stop yourself from being generous. If you feel that somebody needs your generosity, do it. Okay, so dear Scorpios, let's see how your week is going to be. Okay, the focus on this week is going to be around your plans and strategies. So be very, very determined and aggressive in applying your plans and strategies. Weigh the pros and cons well. You should be humble while you're dealing with criticisms, okay? There could be a sudden fall, so the warning is that stay away from doing blunders. Let's see how the week is going to be for Saggies. Okay, so I would say that bring your attention to your aim in life, towards your goal in life. What is that you want to achieve? Work with a lot of passion, with a lot of energy. Come out of your comfort zone. Take that risk. Nothing is going to go wrong, okay? There is an inevitable change and transformation which is coming your way. So you need to be ready for that. Capricorns, let's see how your week is going to fan out. Okay, so I feel that you are going to have new opportunities on an emotional and spiritual level. It's a very fertile time to conceive, marry, or even give birth to new ideas. Okay, be open to receive and give. It's now or never, so deal with your fears and doubts in life. Aquarians, let's see how your week is going to be. Okay, so I feel that you are going to be very active this week. You're going to be absolutely useful and serviceable to yourself or to people around you, because there is going to be some kind of a work which only you can do, like Mr. Dependable. Okay, and there could be a moment in this week where you feel that this is because of my karma, good or bad, I don't know. Okay, coming to the last sun sign, Pisces. Okay, Pisces, be very careful with your choice of words while you are talking to someone or sending a message or drafting an email. Okay, if you're asked to make a very tough decision, then make sure that it is based only on truth and what you think is right. Okay, don't misuse your power. If you want people to love and respect you, then be ready to give them love and respect first.